Alright, kung ikaw ay isang IMG member na at gusto nyo alamin at natindihan pa anong nasa portal ng IMG, then let's have a quick tour kung ano ang nasa IMG portal, kung ano yung makikita nyo dito doon sa IMG portal. So, first things first, you need to type the link of IMG. So that is img-corp.net. Okay. So, or we could have slash members only. We could also have that. Okay. And then, ito yung lalabas. So, make sure na meron ka ng username at password. Activated na po yung portal nyo. Okay. At this will say, bayad na po. Okay. Bayad na po. Magbabayad ka na po. Okay. So, yun. So, if everything is already okay, then let's log in. So, ito yung username at password ko. So, log in po. So, after you log in, ito yung makikita nyo sa ating portal. So you can see here announcements from IMG. Okay, so you can see a lot of announcements here from IMG. So you will be really updated. Ano yung mga promotions, ano yung mga news or ano ba mga latest updates na meron sa IMG. So you will be updated here in our portal. Of course, you can see your name here, your picture, your code, and your details as a member. And then scrolling down, you can see here our dashboard. So makikita nyo dito yung mga isa sa mga benefits natin. So one of that is IMG Solvivo Fund, di ba? So automatic meron ka ng 1,000 shares dyan, di ba? Sa IMG Solvivo Fund. And you can add more on that, di ba? So we must be saving a lot here sa ating IMG Solvivo Fund para sa ating future. So if I'm going to click this one, view portfolio, ito yung makikita sa ating IMG Solvivo Fund. Okay? So we have two funds here. We have Solvivo Strategic Growth Fund and we have Solvivo Gold Bond Fund. So dito nakalagay yung 1,000 shares po dito sa Solvivo Strategic Growth Fund, kung saan isa sa ini-invest natin dito is yung Jollibee. So yun. So makikita nyo dito ilang shares na ang binili nyo at malalaman dito magkano na yung net asset value per share na, yung price niya. So it's very transparent, di ba? So hindi ka na mahirapan at alamin magkano na yung shares ngayon, di ba? Kasi our portal is very transparent. Malalaman nyo na magkano na yung net asset value ngayon, di ba? So meron tayo dito add new sub account. So itong sub account natin dito, kung kasi bago lang tong feature sa ating portal. So itong sub account, kung gusto mo i-diversify yung funds mo dito sa mutual funds mo. So kung if you want to be specific kung sa anong purpose niyan, anong purpose ng investment mo dito sa Solvivo Fund. So let's say you want to invest in Solvivo Fund because you want to save for the educational fund for your children or for your retirement fund sa iyong asawa. So, pwede kayo makaspecify dito na ito ay sa educational fund lang, ito ay for retirement fund, di ba? So, ito yung nakagandahan dito is very organized, di ba? So, malalaman nyo, ito ng pera ko para sa educational fund. Dagdagan ko pa ito para ma-hit ko yung goal ko, di ba? So, the more na ma-motivate ka sa pag-save, invest, kasi makikita mo din magkano na yung pera nyo sa kada account, di ba? So, yun. So, ito yun. So, you just fill in your name, your email, and your birthday. And then, yun. Maka-create ka na ng sub-account at pwede ka na doon makapagsimula sa pag-save at invest. Okay? So, yan po ang sa ating mutual fund. At pwede din pala tayo makapag-add anytime and maka-withdraw anytime. Good. Okay? So, nandun lahat. Okay, next is meron tayo ditong Fidelity Life. Okay? Fidelity Life is a micro-business life insurance company. So, meron tayong, as a member of IMG, meron tayong 50,000 of cash assistance na from Fidelity Life. So, kailangan mo lang magbayad ng 500 pesos para sa one-time lifetime fee ng Fidelity Life. Tapos, meron ka ng 50,000 cash assistance na niyan. At the same time, meron na yan siyang memorial service concierge from Everest. Diba? So, complete package na. Diba? So, nandun na lahat. Tapos yun, Everest, yun. Isa sa ating benefit as an IMG member is you have already Everest Memorial Service. So kung wala ka pang St. Peter ngayon, okay lang kasi meron tayong Everest. Everest is just like St. Peter. Libre po lahat ng services nila as long as ikaw ay isang IMG member. And then, hindi sila mahirap na tawagin. They are very responsive din. So anong mangyari sa'yo, so yun, hindi mag-worry yung mga naiwan. Kasi meron kang Everest Memorial Service kung ikaw ay kunin na ni Lord, di ba? And then we have Manila Bunkers, we have personal accident insurance. Kasala na ito sa benefit mo, meron ka na 100,000 of personal accident insurance. So vision care, so kung gusto mong pa-check up ng mata, so libre lang po yung check up natin dito sa IMG. So lifetime forever yan. Then meron ka ng 2 free eye frames per year yan. So, libre yan, walang bayad. So, yung babayaran nyo lang dito is yung lens lang. So, isa ito sa product ng Vision Care. So, ang binabayaran ko dito ay yung lens lang. So, yung frame ko at yung check-up ko, wala pong binabayaran. Zero. So, yun. Diba? So, ang laking discount. Next, we have APS. Kung ikaw ay gusto mo i-preserve yung mga assets mo para hindi mag-away-away yung anak nyo, kung ikaw ay kunin na ni Lord. Diba? So, si APS ay makakatulong sa inyo. Meron din tayong Neuracash. So, it's all new money transfer para sa lahat ng IMG members. Yun. Para din yan sa siyang bank account. Diba? So, we have also Kaiser Medical Center. So, e-health card yan. So you can click, download, or print. Makita nyo dito yung e-health card nyo dito sa Kaiser. So, ito po. So, you can print it or you can save it on your phone, screenshot it. So, pakita nyo lang ito kung ikaw ay gusto magpa-check up sa Kaiser. So, libre po yung check up natin dito kung ikaw ay isang IMG member. So, sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Centers lang po yan. Okay? Hindi sa iba. Okay? We have also, by the way, sa Everest pala, kung anong mangyari sa'yo, kailangan mo lang magpakita ng IMG ID as proof na ikaw ay isang IMG member. Okay? So, kung i-click mo yan, makita mo din pala dito yung IMG membership card nyo. Okay? So you can print it or you can screenshot it in your phones. Okay? Then we have Dominate Tool. If you want to do IMG business, meron din tayong business dito kung gusto mo. Okay? It's optional. And then we have also IMG Auto Program. Kung ikaw gusto kukuha ng sasakyan, meron kang malaking discount dito sa IMG kung ikaw ay isang IMG member. And of course, IMG will help you process yung sa pagkuha ng sasakyan nyo. So, meron ka pang huge savings and then hassle-free pa yung pagkuha mo sa sasakyan, di ba? So, it's only here in IMG. When we have Kaiser Healthcare, so kung gusto ka po kukuha ng long-term healthcare dito sa IMG, kasi sa IMG lang yung official broker ng Kaiser. So, yun, dito ka lang sa IMG avail nito. Okay, so Kaiser is the only healthcare company na mayroong long-term care plan. So it's the only company then na mayroong 3-in-1 savings program na mayroong long-term healthcare insurance at investment. Na yung investment niya is na-invested sa mutual funds, di ba? So ang ganda. So yun. Then we have Bolt Assurance. So ito ay life insurances. Okay, so we have My Tools then dito. So yun. So we have e-app, OPMS, so we have e-join, so kiosk 2. So this is for your transactions sa IMG. Okay? And dito, My Trade. So if you want to do trading or direct investing sa stocks, meron tayong My Trade portal. Pero advice ko muna, huwag muna papasok dito kung wala ka pang knowledge. Kailangan mo pa talagang intindihin at pag-aralan muna bago ka papasok dito para hindi masusunog or masayang yung pera nyo. Okay, we have IMG. If you want to have your kits in IMG, we have here also. So we have partners kit, members kit. Okay, so we can see here our number of our campaign. We are already 4 million plus, and we have newsletters here. So you will be updated ano yung mga new updates, new promotions, new runs sa IMG dito sa newsletters. Okay, so we have also here updates, report. Okay, so malalaman yun ito lahat. So we have members kit, webinars. So meron tayong mga webinars for free and you will learn a lot from here. Okay? We have videos, providers, downloadable forms. Everything is here. So it's just one click away talaga. So hindi mahirap gamitin yung portal. It's very friendly. Okay? So kung hindi ka nahirapan sa paggamit sa Facebook mo, lalong-lalo na dito sa MG, di ba? Very friendly. So kung meron kang concern or problem, then you can create a ticket or you can call IMG. Okay? So yun. Then this is your profile. You can add your beneficiaries, give your ID, change your password. Okay? So that is the use of our portal that is what you can use here on our portal. Okay? So yun. So ang nakagandahan pa dito, transferable yung account natin. So kung anong mangyayari sa atin, so pwede ito mag-transfer sa ating mga. Di ba? So yun. Paganda investment. So tapos legal pa. So ano pa hanapin nyo? Okay? So that's it. So this is our IMG portal. Thank you so much.